Hello and welcome to my channel, where I share with you the latest news and trends in technology. In today's video, we are going to explore how drones are transforming the agriculture sector and helping farmers improve their productivity and profitability. If you are interested in learning more about drone farming, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified of new videos. Drones, or unmanned aerial vehicles, are flying devices that can be controlled remotely or autonomously. They can be equipped with various sensors and cameras that can capture high-resolution images and data of crops, soil, and weather conditions. Drones can also perform tasks such as spraying pesticides, fertilizers, and water, planting seeds, and monitoring crop health and growth. According to a report by Drone Suggest, drones can offer many benefits for agriculture, such as crop health imaging. Drone cameras can capture multispectral images that can reveal the health status of crops by detecting diseases, pests, weeds, nutrient deficiencies, and water stress. These images can help farmers to identify problem areas and take corrective actions in time. Water efficiency. Drones can help farmers to optimize their irrigation systems by measuring soil moisture levels and crop water needs. Drones can also spray water precisely where it is needed, reducing water wastage and runoff. Fail-safe drone. Drones can be programmed to return to their original launch position with the push of a button in case of an emergency or low battery. This can prevent drone crashes and losses. Data analysis. Drones can collect large amounts of data that can be processed and analyzed using artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms. These algorithms can provide farmers with insights and recommendations on how to improve their crop management practices and increase their yields and profits. Some examples of drones used in agriculture are rotary drones. These are drones that have multiple propellers or rotors that allow them to hover and maneuver easily. They are ideal for crop scouting and spraying as they can cover small areas with high accuracy. Fixed-wing drones. These are drones that have wings like airplanes that allow them to fly faster and longer distances. They are ideal for mapping large fields and collecting aerial data. Conclusion. Drones are becoming an essential tool for modern agriculture as they can help farmers to overcome many challenges such as water scarcity, climate change, soil degradation, and labor shortage. By using drone technology, farmers can save time, money, and resources while enhancing their crop quality and quantity. I hope you learned something new about drone farming. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know what you think about drone technology in agriculture. Thank you for watching this video.